Hello everybody, I've got my Thrunite TT20 came in the mail. Now, I had an original video unboxing this thing and the video's corrupt or something and I can't use the footage. So all the packaging isn't in here. It was much neater and had, like, you know, padding and stuff. But in this case, it's just the content, the important stuff's in here. If I could open it, man, the box is like really tight. Okay. So here we go. I got the flashlight in here. I chose red because I want to be able to see it if I drop it outside. Now there's something in the later footage I did not demo, and that's the, I'll just go ahead and get to that right now. The strobe feature, if you, I think it's triple tap. Yeah, it does a little strobe. There's the flashlight. Comes with a USB-C cable because that's how it charges. And this cool little belt loop thingy bobber, you know, carrying case. And a little lanyard I haven't used yet because honestly this little clip is really handy. So I'll let you guys see the test footage out in the woods in the dark. There's the moon over there. It's basically dark outside. I would not feel comfortable walking through here without some kind of light. Just like how this thing illuminates everything. It's cool. Well, we are at the end of the trail basically. So I guess my little demo of the light is basically over. Let's take it down here a little ways, close to the street. Excuse me. And we are home. Home is right behind there. You can see the lights. A little light in the driveway. Wish we could look up and see the stars, but it is very overcast tonight. Let's see how far this light can go. Let's point it down the road. That's pretty far. So far it's hitting haze. The flashlight gets really, really warm on the high setting. Super warm. Like hot to the touch. All right, folks. Yeah, have a good night. See you. Bye.